Okay, we've got a new update for the Pocket 3. Some interesting updates, some ones we've been asking for, some we still haven't got. So I've got one thing that I want to talk about at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads, and give this video a like as well. It really does help the algorithm know that you like stuff about the Pocket 3, so it feeds you more videos. So make sure you do hit that like button. It really does help this channel grow as well. Okay, so first update, 4K webcam mode, but there's a little bit of a caveat. You can't sort of select it in the camera, so when you plug your camera into the computer, it will still come up as a 1080p output. What you have to do is select 4K in your streaming software such as OBS or Zoom, and then it will say output 4K on the camera. So you are now able to use a 4K output for the webcam mode. Also now in webcam mode, it actually supports active track and the DJI Mic 2. So if you've got the Mic 2 connected to the camera, it uses that audio. That's a good update because that microphone is absolutely fantastic. I use it on my vlogging setup. I'm going to do a whole video about this setup soon and what gear I use and where to buy them. So make sure you do subscribe to check out that video as well, coming soon. So webcam upgrade, 4K, active track, DJI Mic 2, that's a nice one. Next you've got a new mode in the gimbal settings. It's called FPV lock, and that basically just locks the FPV mode instead of it going left and right and sort of going like that. It keeps the horizon level, but yeah, you can still get that sort of FPV look. So that's a new FPV mode, FPV lock. You've also got never auto off added in the menu, and I'm not sure why they didn't do that to start with. It was only limited to 30 minutes. I like to have all those power auto screen off sections turned to never, because you know when you're using the camera you don't really want the screen to turn off, unless you do, because we've got a new setting within wearable mode. Now if you don't know about wearable mode, it's where you actually are wearing the camera. So if you've got it on a camera clip, which, you know, next video we're talking about this camera clip on here, on your backpack, you can clip it on there, use it as like a POV camera. Then in wearable mode they've changed the setting to actually turn the screen off after 5 seconds. That just saves more power because you're not using the screen, so you don't really need it in that situation. So yeah, wearable mode, if you don't know about it, it's in the menu. You can select wearable mode and then it turns the screen off when you're got it clipped on there for POV shots. It's a great mode. I've used it recently on a camping trip for that particular purpose. It works very well. They've optimised the autofocus. I did notice that, especially in product showcase mode, the focus did sort of jump around a bit, so hopefully that sorted that issue out. I haven't noticed a real issue in normal focus mode. The focus is fantastic. You get that nice depth of field with the Pocket 3 because you've got that big 1-inch sensor on there. It's a really nice look. This camera overall is fantastic. There are a few nitpicks, but apart from those few little things that they still need to improve, maybe on the Pocket 4, this camera is unbelievable. Then you've got some minor bug fixes and stuff, but the one thing that I haven't improved is the fact that, you know, those little warning signs that pop down for the top of the screen when you connect the microphone or something, you can swipe them away, but if you don't swipe them away, they stay on the screen so long. I know we need the information to let us know what's going on with the camera and the warnings and, you know, stuff that's connected to it and whatnot, but those notifications just stay on the screen too long, and when you're using this every day, it really does get annoying because it just blocks the whole screen. The screen's not a massive screen, and when you've got a big notification pop down to say the DJI mic's connected, I know it's connected, just show me a light or something on the microphone to say it's connected, rather than giving me a big notification that blocks my view of what I'm recording for the next 10 seconds. It's ridiculous. So DJI, can you please sort that out in the next update? I know we can swipe them away, but it's just something else we've got to do. I don't want that notification on there for so long, so please get rid of that. Apart from that, good update. 4K webcam, you can use a DJI and active track now. You've got a screen off mode in a wearable mode, and you've got a new FPV lock mode as well with the gimbal controls. So yeah, it's just getting better every day. This camera's phenomenal already. I have got some thoughts about the whole Pocket 3 and who's it for, and you know, my use case scenario. So like I said, make sure you do stick around to the channel, subscribe, press the bell, because I'm going to be making some more videos soon on this camera. Yeah, it's a great camera. I fully recommend it. If you do want to grab one, by the way, there will be an affiliate link in the description down below. That is an affiliate link, but this is not sponsored. I bought this camera myself, and I've been using it since its release. Yeah, it's just a phenomenal device. Okay, that's it for this one. See you on the next one. Bye, guys.